This is Thomas Hitoshi Pruiksma, and I wanted to share a very short poem with you from my new translation of the classical Tamil masterpiece on ethics, power, and love, the Tirukkural, or in short, the Kural. This verse comes from chapter 43 on the possession of knowledge and has to do with true safety. I'll first share the English translation, then I'll share the original so you can hear what the Tamil sounds like. Then I'll share the translation again. This is Kural 421 by the poet Tiruvalluvar. Knowledge, tool that guards against ruin and fortress that falls to no enemy. Arivu, attrung kakkum karavi, sirivarkum ullarikalaga aran. Knowledge, tool that guards against ruin and fortress that falls to no enemy. Just as knowledge of the shore is essential to a captain, knowledge of the world is essential to a leader. Not only does it help keep us safe, it is the only kind of fortress that no enemy can defeat. May we all be blessed with knowledge in abundance and guide everyone around us to safety.